Welcome back to Cheeto58. In my last video, I did there was a storm that hit the shelter where we put the plants, and the shelter was full of water. You guys could see. Wait, hold on. Let's flip the camera. Alright, so this is the water that.
The fuck was that?
I don't know. I just made that up.
Here, I'm gonna go on the other side and see your mom.
Yeah. If you guys haven't seen my first video about how long the water is,
It will be in the link.
Jocelyn is gonna see how it looks like. Here, show them. And shout out to Wolf, which is Jocelyn. Shout out to Wolf.
Okay, guys. So
The blue bug is mine.
I know, like, damn. Okay. So here we're gonna see this. So
If you guys haven't seen part 1,
we're trying to get it out. We did sometime. Like the water was like this. Looks like this much. A little next, like right here.
We got a little bit of water out, so we're still gonna continue.
Well, I'm gonna push it from the inside, and Nick is gonna check it out.
No, I will be from the outside.
Okay, Nick, we're gonna go from the inside.
Yeah, you guys gotta push, and then the water will increase.
Also, shout out to my little brother.
He's gonna make his first video, and link is in the description below.
Of his YouTube channel. Look at that face. Isn't that adorable?
His first YouTube channel. It's all 3 of us.
Look, guys. If we hit, like, what should we hit? 50, 100 likes.
50,000 likes.
No, 50, 100 likes for like the first. 50, 100. He's gonna make his own YouTube channel. Called, what would you call it?
Yeah, what will you call it? Who put a stick here?
Galaxy what?
Who
Holy
put
shit.
that here?
Well, if you didn't know, Eduardo just decided to become a little cuckoo crazy. Oh, here comes the water. Oh,
Okay. Alright, thank you.
anytime, bro. Ow. That hurt my feelings. Ah! Narek, you wanna take this to outside?
Oh, you want the
To see?
water? Oh,
Yeah.
right, water coming up. There's your water.
Here,
Come back soon.
go out and
More water's coming. Oh,
Narek, go out and show them what's gonna happen. Stop putting my
let me show them how it looks like now. Oh, God. Oh, no, the bucket.
Okay, so here's
Estamos sacando el agua. Let's go, Jeremy.
he.
This one. Guys, hold on. Guys, I gotta make a part 3. Stay tuned.
No, get the other plate. Stop.
Stay tuned. Bye.